Going to teach you guys the different sensors for our robot, the touch sensor and the color sensor. Okay, so we are going to start a new file here and download it to the brain of our robot to check the different challenges that we have, for in we can try the different sensors. Okay, so we are now in the sensors section. We are going to start with move until touch. Okay, in this section we are going to use this table to check our code. Okay. Take note, guys. We have to use the Clobot IQ or Clobot IQ robot with arm up. Ito yung gagamitin natin. And then the condition here is the robot will move until it will encounter a barrier. So how are we going to do that? We are going to set the robot, set multiple motors, speed is 50, left motor, and then the right motor. The left motor refers here, and then the right motor here, okay? So the condition here is it will move until it will encounter a barrier. So we are going to wait until it will be bump, okay? So bump switch is equal to true. All right, so let's try and download it to the brain of our robot. We're not going to save this one. Okay, so let's try if it will move. Okay, and then perfect. All right, so guys, take note what will happen if we don't have this one. Okay, let's check. Refresh this one again. See, our robot will not move because the set multiple motors is dependent with this code, the wait until. It should be partnered with a wait until. All right, so that's it, guys. Okay, so let's try another challenge, the forward until touch. Okay, here we have point A and point B. In the point A, it will move until it will encounter a barrier. So definitely and evidently we'll be using the same code. So I'm not gonna change my code. I'm just going to enter this one here. Oh, we're going to download this one to the brain of the robot. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Okay, let's try. It will move until it will encounter a barrier, right? That's perfect. What about point B? Point B says that it will move, okay? It will move until the barrier is released. What do you mean by that? Our robot here will move and push this barrier up to the edge. And once the barrier is released, it will eventually stop. Of course, what we're going to do here is we're just going to get the opposite. It will move until the barrier is released. Kung sa Bisaya, dagan siya hangtod na naa ang barrier. Pag wala na ang barrier, dili siya mudagan. Okay, so let's download this one to the brain of our robot. Okay, and let's check if it will work. Okay, it will move. Okay, and then stop. All right, so that's it. Okay, so that's for forward until touch. Now let's try this one. Program the robot to touch all four walls of a room using its bumper switch to know when it has reached each one. Meaning to say, we are going to program our robot to touch all the four walls here, okay, to remove the green light. Okay, so how we're going to program that one? Of course, we'll be using this. We allow our robot to move until it will be bumped. Okay, after mag-bump siya, mag-backward siya. I want na mag-backward siya. I'll set it here, 250 degrees. And then after niya mag-backward, it will turn to the left. Okay. Ay, backward man pala ito. So have it 5. And then rotations. Here is the 250. We'll set it 250, ha? Okay, you can design yours in your activity. Okay, and then let's try this one. Download